Quartzo. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Glenn, and today we're going to be reviewing the Solotica Hidrocor Quartzo contact lenses, which change my natural eye colour from this to this. Now let me start off by saying that I've been wanting to try these contact lenses in forever. Since I started wearing lenses, I've always wanted to try these. I see them all over Instagram, everyone seems to love them, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to pick them up and try them. I purchased these from Solotica Hidrocor Quartzo. They cost £60, but if you use my discount code CCLR, then you get £5 off. I don't get any money for you using that code, it's just a code that Solotica gave me for you guys to use. So if you want, go over to their website and use my code to get £5 off any pair of contact lenses. Also, I'd like to apologise for the lighting. I've got my ring light on and I've also got my natural lighting, but the sun keeps making it change different colours, so I apologise about that. But anyways, I took these out of the packaging last week because I wanted to try them before I did this review for you guys. And this is how it looked when I took it out of the packaging. It has the grey kind of blue around the outside of the lens, and then as it gets closer to your pupil there is the green colour, and I was really excited to try these and put them in. So after I did that, this is how the lenses look compared to my natural eye colour. There's a complete change in colour from my natural eyes and they are so stunning. I cannot get over how good these contact lenses look. They are so natural looking as well, and I'm so pleased. On my eyes they have a blue colour around the outside. Kind of makes it look like there's a limbo ring because it's the blue colour, and then you've got the green colour that goes closer to your pupil like I said. I am so happy with the way these lenses look. They look so amazing on my eyes. They remind me a lot of the Topazio lenses, but they're just not so in your face stand out. They're a bit more subtle, and I think that makes them look a bit more natural looking compared to the Topazio ones. This is how the lenses look on both my eyes, really close up. These lenses have a really tight pupil hole, and I know a lot of you guys like a tight pupil hole contact lens as it gives the effect that they're more natural looking, and these ones have this. Solotica are one of the main brands that have a tighter pupil hole, and they just look so amazing on my eyes. I can't get over how amazing these look. They're just so stunning. I will say that this is not a bash or anything towards Solotica. This is just personally with me. Because I have astigmatism, sometimes these contact lenses can make, especially on this side, because this is the one that I've got the biggest astigmatism in, the contact lens sometimes looks like it's going out the way, so it makes your eyes look a bit wonky. It's not a really big notice, I just notice it, and I know a lot of other people don't notice it. That is something to be aware of if you do have astigmatism. If you don't, then they'll probably just sit normally on your eyes and they won't look a bit wonky like mine. But no, I'm so happy that I did buy these contact lenses. They're absolutely stunning on my eyes. Actually having the ocean in your eyes, and it's so amazing, and I can't get over how good they are. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like these contact lenses? Not like them? Hate them? Give me your thoughts, your feedback. Don't forget to go over and follow all my other social media links. They will all be in the description below. My Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as it really does help. And I think that's everything for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.